Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? 3 to the power of 2s plus 3 to the power of x is equal to 30. Solution. We have 3 to the power of 2x plus 3 to the power of x is equal to 30. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. This is equal to a to the power of mn. Then this can be written as 3 to the power of x to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of s is equal to 30. Let 3 to the power of s is equal to y. Now here we have y squared plus y is equal to 30. This is y squared plus y minus 30 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now this can be written as y squared minus 5y plus 6y minus 30 is equal to 0. Now here, let's factor y out. We have y bracket y minus 5 plus here we have 6 bracket y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now y minus 5 is common. Here we have y minus 5 bracket this y plus this 6 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is y minus 5 is equal to 0, and the second case is y plus 6 is equal to 0. Then from here, y is equal to 5, and from here y is equal to minus 6. We've gotten the value of y. Recall that three to the power of x is equal to y. Then 3 to the power of s is equal to y1, that is 5, and 3 to the power of s is equal to minus 6. But here 3 to the power of s is positive and this is negative, so it is rejected. Because 3 to the power of s cannot be equal to minus 6. Then we consider this. We have 3 to the power of s is equal to 5. Now let's take the log of both sides. Log 3 to the power of s is equal to log 5. Now if you have log p to the power of m is equal to m log p. This can be written as x log 3 is equal to log 5. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 3. Now let's divide this by log 3. This will cancel this. S is equal to log 5 divided by log 3. Now take note of this, that if you have log A divided by log B, this is equal to log A base B. Therefore, this can be written as S is equal to log 5 base 3, and this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 3 to the power of 2s plus 3 to the power of s is equal to 30. Then when x is equal to log 5 base 3, this can be written as 3 to the power of 2 bracket log 5 base 3 plus 3 to the power of log 5 base 3 must be equal to 30. Now this is 3 to the power of log 5 square base 3 according to the law of logarithm plus 3 to the power of log 5 base 3 must be equal to 30. Now here we have 3 to the power of log 25 base 3 plus 3 to the power of log 5 base 3 must be equal to 30. Take note of this, that if you have m to the power of log n base m, this is equal to n. Then this can be written as, the whole of this is 25 plus the whole of this is 5 must be equal to 30. We have 25 plus 5. This is 30 is equal to 30, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.